Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Spiegel Mom Scraps design team layout. I was inspired by the lovely Sarah Scraps. She's such a wonderful person, and she names her cards in her room, which was totally funny to me, but I have not been using my project cards. My project cart that sits right underneath my table right here. I used to do like the 6 kits and I would play with those collections all month long, but I was like neglecting everything else. So I just started just pulling all kinds of other kits and stuff just to be able to like create and play with everything and just try to use some stuff up. And the way that she had one of her project cards organized, I was like totally inspired. So long story short, or long story longer, I rearranged them and put like I have my scrap room kits, I have my She Loves Color kits, I have my design team things in each of the shelves. So I wanted to start finishing off some of these collections that I got at She Loves Color that I attended with my good friend Fran and all my new good friends this past October. And now these were like Stephanie had pre-cut everything. So I'm just trying to see what I have left in this kit. I do have a birthday thing here, which probably going to take this and stick it in with my How to Kill a Kit, because my How to Kill a Kit is these freaking awesome colors. And it's all for Sam's birthday trip to Vegas. So I'm going to actually do that, you guys. I'm just going to stick that right over there. Which I have neglected and I need to do. But in the midst of that, I found one last photo to scrap from when we went to NASCAR. So I need to see what we have. We could do the pink. We could do that. We have all of these fun scraps, which will actually meld right into Baby Got Scraps. Is that going to be a full 12 by 12? Why, yes it is. So I think we're going to go ahead and either use one of those, and then I can pull in all of these fabulous scraps, which I actually think we'll be able to pull that in. What's on the back side? Okay, I can pull that one in, even though it's polka dot and polka dot. I'm okay with that. Not going to get the pumpkins in. We can see. Oh my goodness. I like the little frogs. Alright, so let's see what's on the back of that. Not going to be able to use that. I'm not going to want to use that. We're definitely going to go with the plaid. And I'm just going to try to use it in the sizes that are here. Okay, and we're going to go with the blue. Alright, and we're going to put these back so I'm not tempted, even though technically this is not a Baby Got Scraps layout, but I'm still going to go for it. And then I do have these. That one will go. Actually, they will all go. What if we... What's on the back of that again? Oh, can't use that. But I want that. So, we're going to use that one. Alright. Throw those in there. I'm not going to be able to use those. I can fussy cut out some of those florals. I can see what's in these 2 kits to use, and I can pull in one of those in little packs. I can pull in one of those. And I did have this right here, which I want to use that together. Like Together, Rest and Relax or something like that. So I want to use that as my title. And now that we know what collection, let's go through our Spiegel Mom Scraps and find some spectacular sequins. Oh my god, I love 80s night. Oh, that one might work. Or we could just go with the blue. Let's just go with the blue. And I have no idea what I'm going to create, but I'm going to create something. So we're going to go with blue. I may pull some other things in here and there. Definitely going to pull in some stars because, you know, it was like NASCAR. All right, so let's move that all over. Let's pull all of our scraps. And, excuse me. I hope, please let me know. I haven't had any feedback yet on if my new microphone setup is working. I did get a blue Yeti and I was super excited. I broke down and I spent a little extra cash to get me a microphone because I didn't have one. I was just using my laptop and that clearly was not working. I don't know if I like that, but we're going to make it work. Let's see, what if we bring that over there and then we could make that go top and bottom, right? So boop. And I'm actually going to, let's just do that now. Let's trim that awkward bit off there so that we don't have like broken hearts. Nobody likes a broken heart. Do that. Just have one and one. And then we've got this little guy, which I totally think that we should do the little froggies. Kind of like that, or come on, little froggies. That was like way too much. Maybe. And then have this here, and then obviously we'll get our photo trimmed down. And then we have this. I think I want to tear this and stick a piece there and stick a piece there. I'm digging everything but the froggies, you guys. I just don't think the froggies are going to work. So we will save the little froggies for another day. I'll stick that in there. Okay, so trying, but epically failing. Let's see. Yeah, let's just pull in that one because, you know, that's been my product focus for the month. Let's do that one, and we'll mat with I like that one. So that would make that one not be cool. And let's do the stripes and we'll do that guy as well, just to mat the photo. Just trying to use up these little pads. So what I'm going to do is I'm thinking about I'm going to fussy cut these out. I'm going to get this photo trimmed, matted, and those stuck on there like that, and pull out some embellishments, and we'll come back and create together. All right, so we've got, I did pop up this little NASCAR here, and I've got Together Forever, so it kind of nestled in. It's kind of slight on the wonk, but I'm kind of feeling it. I took the two frames that was in one of those little packets and made shaker packets. I did go with the Glacier Summit, and I still have quite a few left, so one more shaker packet can be made. And then I've got all of this fun stuff over here, so I thought if I could get these little guys on here just because I think they're cute, and you know, it's me and Sam, so it's like Mama bear and baby bear. I know, I'm silly, but I'm feeling it. That's really what I'm digging. So do we want to do little or big, or do we want to go? I feel like we should do more of a, like that, kind of taper off. And then, let's see, figure out if I can cover up the little fishies, because I can run that right off the page. It says, love you. We can get that and trim that off, and then I can cover up the other little fishies over there with something else. You'll never even know it was two little burrs having to go fishy. So potentially, see, I'm digging that, you guys. I mean, you can still see a little bit of it, but I'm okay with that. Put that there. And then put that little arrow there because it says love you right here too. And I'm usually not a big fan of repeating, but I mean, I could tell my son I love him a billion million times and it would be okay. So I do have a few of these, well, not a few, I have a lot of the flowers. And just start trimming some of them down. Let me get my glasses out of the way. Let's come in and start popping them up. So I'm going to cut them in half just to make them last longer because I am going to tuck. So that is just a way to make your little floral bits, you know, tuck in and last a smidgen longer. All right, let's grab the sun. I'm gonna cut him in half too because why not? You know. Let's kind of tuck that one back there. And we'll get this one tucked right here. And then can bring this little wood piece here. Okay, he's gonna go there. Let's pop this black one in on some foam. We're gonna pop this up on some foam. So we'll get that stuck on there. Hopefully that's gonna be, oh. Okay. I'm just gonna pop it up because I do like a lot of a dimension. So we've got that one, and let's pop this guy up as well, right? So we're gonna, and this is a very cute and fun layout I think we've got going on here. Just gonna stick that one there. And let's come in with just a bit of, now this says The Good Life. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna pop it right here. It's a speech bubble, but it's working. We'll bring in a little bit more yellow. And I want to bring in So a little bit of the blue right there. Let's pop in some of that pink or that white. And then some light pink, and then let's do some dark pink right there. And then I do want to get these cute little fireflies down. So we're going to stick those in our popped up flowers. Because why not, right? Just why not? Alright. And then I do have this like one little heart, so we're going to go ahead and use him too. And let's see if we can just put him right there. Cover up that whole speech bubble. Alright, and then these two pieces are left, so I'll put those to the side. And let's grab a purple and see if we can get some sketchy lines going. Because I always think that finishes it off. You guys know how I feel about my sketchy lines. I love them. So don't forget to head over to Spiegel Mom Scraps and check out the all-new releases. January's release sold out super uber fast, so pick yourself up some of the February or just the stuff that's in the store, the stock, because I use that quite frequently. This is not a new release. This is just an item that I had in my stash because I love the sequins. And we have these very, very cute little shaker pockets. So yeah, head on over to the store. Don't forget to use my code Rebecca15 and to get 15% off of your order. Because you don't have to use the code. You can pay full price. Jody would love that, but we would appreciate if you would use our code so that they know that you have been sent there from me, and that would be great. So I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. And like I said, don't forget to head over to Spiegel Mom Scraps and see the fabulous new release that's coming out. And I'll check you later with another video. Bye.